it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I do all sorts of budget DIYs, thrift flips, and more. So if you like this type of content, could you do me a solid and consider subscribing? It would also be really awesome if you'd leave a like or a comment down below because it would really help my channel grow.
Happy Friday, everybody! Hi! Weekend is here. Who's excited? I'm excited. So today is a big day for me. I've got this awesome little mini thrift haul, and this is the beginning of my Funtime Friday challenge. I'm hosting this challenge on the first Friday of the month at 2 p.m. Central, and basically it's just a fun time. The only challenge is what you're going to make your video of. And I am joined by my two lovely co-hosts, Dee from Designer's Loft. As you can see, she loves Mackenzie Childs. And Shule from My Style, My Colors. She's got some awesome stuff as well. I call this a challenge, but it's not really a challenge. Kind of like Deco Easy does for Sunday. It's just having fun. And Friday's a good time for fun, isn't it? I would think. I mean, I like Fridays. Fridays are fun. So the only thing you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to me and to my co-hosts for this month. If you're joining, make sure you're subscribed to D at Designer's Loft and Shule from My Style, My Colors. Make sure you put the playlist link and our YouTube channel links in your description box below. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. If you're only on Instagram, you can participate over there too. Just hashtag your post with Funtime Friday and make sure you're following myself and my co-hosts. And make sure you tag us in your stuff. We want to see it. We're supposed to be having fun. It's a weekend. So let's get on to the fun. Let me finish showing you what I got here. All right, so what do I got here? I got a little bag of stuff. I didn't go too hog wild. My mom wouldn't let me. We have a small little thrift shop that pretty much everybody takes their stuff they don't want anymore. And it's open twice a week, so every so often we'll make a pilgrimage across town to go see what goodies people have dropped off. This is it's a mini thrift haul, but there are a couple of things that I've gotten from the dollar store as well. And that's me moving those out of the way. But I'll show you those. So yeah, there's just a lot of stuff here. Well, let me go through it and get this out of the way. All right, so the first thing I have is this huge, and I mean huge, I didn't even measure it, wooden plaque. It's like nearly the entire length of my table. So yeah, I said I needed this. I'll paint it and do something with it. It's got a little hanger in the back. I don't know what yet, but I'll find something to do with it. Yeah, just, I guess I didn't want it anymore. I'll just paint over it. And then, let's see. What else am I bringing up here? Okay, here's the bag of stuff. See all the flowers? There's a ton of little flowers here. They were just stuck in this vase, and I said, well, I'll just take it all. It's spring, and I don't really have any springtime flowers, so this is a good little start here. Nice little vase. You can find that pretty much anywhere. So yeah, I don't know what I'll do with them yet. What else? Oh, this guy. And you can find these in a lot of places too. A really nice vase, and that texture is on the inside, not the outside, which is nice because I'm going to cover it all up. And this, obviously not for crafting, but this gorgeous sweater. Oh, it's so soft. I swear, it feels like cashmere. It's not, but it feels like it. It's got a little bit of sparkles on it. It's so soft. Oh my God. Yeah, I think it's poly and angora. There's a little bit of angora in it. That's what makes it so soft, but it's very lightweight. It's a nice sweater for spring. This And I'm telling you, I love this. And you're going to see this one. This is what we're going to work with today. This bowl is epic. I love it so, so much. You know, I only had one thought in mind when I saw it, and you're going to see it coming up. That's what we're going to work with today. And what else do I got? Oh, this is the stuff that I got. Okay. So these flower picks, $3 from the... Where did I get these? Did I get these at Family Dollar? Yeah, I got those at Family Dollar. These little flocked picks were $1 each at the Dollar General. I don't know what they're called. It reminded me of lamb's ear though. And these little greens were also $1 each at the Dollar General. But this grass I got from Amazon to review. I think I show the brand here. I don't know if you can see it very well. But yeah, Easy Flowery. Okay. But they're nice little picks too. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but there they are. But today we're working with this bowl. And it is beautiful. It's got a ridged rim on the end. And yeah, so here's what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to put some succulents in here. Now, if you watched my other video here, then you'll see that I used my succulents just in my last video. Yeah. So I'm going to turn that into a little terrarium. And I've got some random pieces of foam. I'm not even sure. It was in something that I ordered. It was the packaging. So I'm going to shove all the succulents down into this foam. And I had so much trouble with, because it's not craft foam, right? It's packaging foam. So it's way denser. So I'm just taking my little Cricut pick. Yes, I got a Cricut. Oh my gosh. You'll see stuff with that's coming up soon too. I'm so excited. I was like, I'd say a kid at Christmas, but I've been that kid at Christmas and I was far worse than that when I got it. So hashtag best husband ever because he bought it for me. So Jason, thank you. He knows I've been dying to get one of these for, I don't know, probably a good 10, 15 years. So yeah, I just took a little picker tool to help me get some holes in there because these are they're Dollar Tree stems and they're super fat, which is nice because they'll stay in place really easily. So I'm just shoving random succulents that I have, succulent picks that I have in here. Some I got from Amazon, some I got from Dollar Tree, some I got from the Dollar General and took out of their little pots, just trying to come up with something. And I play around with this several times. You don't really see all of it on camera. I think I redid this probably 2 or 3 times. I'm just trying to come up with a good layout, I guess, as it was. That guy is super big. He doesn't make it into the final cut, but that's okay. At least I don't think so. I don't remember. So yeah, I'm just filling them all up in there. Just kind of filling in the blank spots. I'm only working with what I have. I didn't buy anything. I literally, I brought this home and started filming, well, within the hour. So I absolutely did not prepare anything for this. So I got these white rocks. Now they came with a set that I got from Amazon that is succulent planter, fake succulents. And it came with a kit of 3 succulents and those rocks and some metal cans. Well, I'm going to take the cans and do some candles with them because I have a candle making kit that I need to try out. So I'm just going to use these rocks for this. Now, I don't want to see the foam, so I'm going to go ahead and put a layer of the rocks down and kind of squish the foam in there and the rocks around it and build it up so you don't see the foam underneath. So all you see is the rocks. So I didn't have a lot of them. It only came with 2 bags just for the top of these, this kit that I got. It's just to decorate the top. So I'm just shoving all the rocks down around the sides. So there you can see, you can't see the foam, all you see is the rocks, which is what I was going for. And I'll just stick this back on here with the other succulents in it, and I can stick it right back down in to that bottom foam. And then I'm just going to fill in the rest. Get all around the sides, and I try to cover the foam as best I can. If I'd have had a couple more of a, not big, but not small, it's like, you know, a medium size, like in between small and medium maybe, to shove in the empty spaces, it would have been better, but I didn't feel like ripping up any of my other planters right now. And, you know, and this was just a spur of the moment kind of thing. I just did this all quick and dirty, as it were. I wiped down the bowl. I didn't actually wash it. I just, you know, took a wet rag to it and said, okay, it's clean. I'm in a hurry. I want to do this now. So there I got it all together. Just getting those rocks spread around and making it all pretty. And I love it. I mean, it's just absolutely perfect. I couldn't be happier with it. It's just so, oh, I love my succulents, you know. And there it is with my slate board. I don't know. I was trying to stage it to make it look better. So what do you guys think of that? A quick little video, a quick little haul, and a flip. Make sure you go check out all the rest of the people in the playlist. Make sure you're subscribed to our channels. Go give everybody likes and thumbs ups and good YouTubey goodness and all the other things. It's been a good time. I've had fun. This was very fun. That was a nice, easy DIY. So, as always, be safe and take care, y'all.